time since I last uploaded a video on my channel. I've been busy with a lot of things. That's why I couldn't upload videos regularly. But I'll try to do my best to regularly update you guys. So anyways, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you guys 7 attributes which will help you to be more effective and successful in life. So these 7 attributes, anyone can do this. Anyone can apply this to their life. You don't have to be extremely talented or extremely God-gifted. Even if you have zero talent, if you apply these 7 attributes to your character and personality, you're gonna see huge rewards. Okay, so the first one is being on time. In life in general, you need to respect time because time doesn't wait for anyone. It does not discriminate with anyone. You have to learn how to be more punctual in life. You have to respect even your own time and others' time as well. So therefore, you have to be punctual. You have to be very punctual in life. That's the first thing that I want to tell you guys. Because if you don't respect time, then you will see all the disadvantages that comes along with it. So the second attribute is your attitude. Attitude is a very important factor for developing your character and personality. It will determine whether you will be more successful or unsuccessful in life. My personal advice is to have more of a positive attitude, especially during the times when one is experiencing a very difficult phase. Things are not going in your way. Everything is you feel like everything is against you, the whole world is against you. During times like that, you need to have a very positive mindset and a positive attitude. And trust me guys, they'll help you guys a lot. And the third attribute is the body language. Your body language plays a very vital role in determining your personality. It defines your personality even more better. If you have a bad body language, it will 100% deteriorate your chance of being really successful. And on the contrast, if you have a very good and active, very great and active body language, that same aura and that same energy will transfer to the people who surround you, and everyone will be very pleased to be around you. So always try to have a great body language. There will be times when you feel energyless, you don't feel so active. Even in this kind of situation, you need to act and have a great body language because it definitely plays a very important role. Trust me on this, guys. Okay guys, so fourth is the work ethic. Personally, this is my favorite because it played a very influential role in my life. And see, you can be poor, you can be below average, extremely talented, extremely God-gifted individual. But if you are willing to put in the work more than anyone else, then you will surely be very successful. And there will always be guys who will be way more smarter, talented and gifted than you, but you have no reason to work less than them. Because at the end of the day, it's the people who work very hard, who leaves no stone unturned, they are the ones who reap the rewards. So always try to have a very good work ethic because people will notice it, 100%. The fifth one is the effort. Anything you do in life, be it small or big thing, you always need to give your 100% effort because everyone will notice the amount of effort you're giving in. So my advice is to give 100%, the maximum effort you can to anything you do. Okay, so the sixth one is passion. You can have zero talent, but if you're really passionate about something and you're willing to put in the work, then 100% you'll always achieve your goals. Passion is very important because it's like a fuel which will help you to burn the fire even more brighter than you can ever imagine. So moving on to the seventh one, the last one, and I think this is probably one of the most important factor, the most important attribute, that is sacrifice. If you want to achieve anything in life, have the mindset, be ready that you have to sacrifice a lot of things. There will be things that you love the most in life, but again, you have to sacrifice all of this to achieve your goals. You can't, to win something, you have to lose something. You have heard this so many times. And this is so true in life. You have to sacrifice your sleep, your this thing, your whatever it may be. But you need to learn, you need to be prepared mentally. Be always ready to sacrifice things for a good cause. And that's it, guys. Hope I shared something really valuable, and I hope you guys apply the 7 attributes to your life. And I definitely believe that it will really help each one of you guys. And again, I want to say one more thing: you don't have to be extremely talented. You can have zero talent, but still you can be one of the most successful guy in any place for the fact. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.